The Ministry of National Defense (DND) on Friday stated its intention to acquire excess Bell UH-1H and McDonnell Douglas helicopters from South Korea. Defense Minister Delfin Lorenzana conveyed this intention in a letter of congratulations to the newly appointed South Korean Defense Minister, Suh Wook. He added, DND plans to conduct a joint venture inspection in the fourth quarter of this year. The Philippine Air Force (PAF) is known to operate a number of AIH and MD-500 helicopters in its fleet. South Korea is known to have stopped these helicopters from military service earlier this year. The PAF uses the UH-1H primarily for cargo and personnel transport and disaster relief missions, while variants or models of the MD-500 in its inventory are used for ground attack or close air support attacks. The JVI will be conducted following strict biosafety protocols amid ongoing global health concerns, by a team consisting of representatives from the DND and the Armed Forces of the Philippines, DND spokesman Arsenio Andalong said in a message. He added that the South Korean UH-1H and MD-500 helicopter acquisition project is still in the exploration stage, with details not yet finalized including the timetable and the number of rotary wing aircraft to be acquired.